Hello everyone. After we receiving the machine, how do we install it? Here we can see that there are numbers on the tubes here and the oxygen concentrator. We just need to connect them according to the numbers. Now let's install it one by one. Here we can see that this is number 2. This is number 2. We just to push it like this. And this is number 4, this one. And here is number 1. You can tube here. This is number 9. Okay. And this is 8. This is 3. Okay. This is number 6.
Okay.
This is the oxygen chamber body. We store it just like the last one. Here is number 1 here. Okay. And this is number 2. Look here. And the next is number 3. Okay. Here this is 24, and you can see that here. We just push it. Okay. Here is number 9. Okay, and this is 4, 0, 0, 4. Here. This is number 6. Number 4. We just to push it. Here is number 8. It's made PC. We can see that this is number 5, and the tubes also have the number 5. This is number 7. This is number 7. You can see that, and this is 5. This bottle is connected to here. There is a label, the gas vent here. Here is the power supply, and you can see that. After we connect the tubes, now let's plug the power supply. Okay. The voltage of the air conditioner is 220 volt. If your local voltage is 220 volt, you can directly put it into the socket. If your local voltage is 110 volt, you need to connect to the converter. We just need to put it on it. And after connecting the power supply, we need to add some water on the air conditioner external unit. And after we add some water, we need to open these two parts. Here, this one, and here, this one. And this is the water inlet. We need add some water from here. And when the water is float, the air will come out and the water will flow out. Okay.